have to peel off all the old paint. This is 60 years of paint. You can see like water got behind it. In certain places you can notice water got behind the wall, behind the paint, and it's loose. Down here, it's almost like, see, it just comes right off. So this has to, take all this off. So for the next hour or so, we'll be peeling old paint, and then we'll come back to do the actual putting on the mesh, putting on the first and 2 coats of funda. So we'll be right back. This is the first phase of MicroCement wall finishing.